Hey guys, so here's a fan I picked up specifically with metal Pete in mind. Because this is actually my least favorite variation of the Blenderfan with the plastic canopy.
Yeah.
Even though it is a childhood fan for me, there's a state park in Wisconsin called Governor Dodge State Park. And they have one of these in the Welcome Center in the Skylight. And for all I know, it's still there. I'd love to go and check it out one day. I probably will and see if it's still there. But I definitely saw these as a kid, but they're still my least favorite variation. I don't like the proportions as much. But I saw it, and it was $40. And I was like, $40 for my least favorite version. I'm like, no, Metal Pete's gonna want it. So I definitely got it, and I'm glad that we're doing the video of it while he's here. Let's check it out.
Like I said, I already have one just like this.
Yeah, but you wouldn't say no to another now, would you?
No. Probably good.
These are actually much better, more efficient fans than the K63 version. They've got the K55B.
The only difference of that bowling alley I went to down in Louisville and this one, they're opposite of each other. Okay, the two end lanes had the 3-blade ones, and they had these blades on them.
Okay.
Then the 4 blades that were what were most of these had the fiberglass blades.
Interesting.
So opposite of what my 3-blade ones are, they had these blades on that one. Okay, so it's a drawing. Is the meter in the shot?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Turn it this way, just a little, like rotate it a little, because it's glare. There's a little bit of glare on it. But yeah, it's 0.41.
0.41, 41 watts.
So it's going to be like a 0.8 power factor. Yep.
Yep. Okay, so that's low. And here is high. It's 2-speed. Nope, actually, nope. Here's high.
Low, high, off is what the...
Actually, it's... No, it's...
Or high, low, off.
Yeah.
Yeah. I said it wrong, but I...
0.74 is what it's drawing.
Yep. Power factor is probably pretty close to 1.
Yep. 79 watts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says rated at 0.87, but this is what it's drawing.
Yeah.
Okay. And bearings, I don't hear any bearing noise.
Nope, Metal Pete took care of that.
Yep.
If Metal Pete doesn't want it, then I would consider selling or trading it, but,
I'll probably have a pair of these.
I think he'll probably
Although
have a pair of
my
these.
other one, mine's the flat-bottomed. Versus
Even on the K55B version?
No, mine's not a B version.
I thought you had a K55B version.
No, it's actually...
You don't have one with this canopy?
Wait.
Yeah, you do.
I do have this canopy, but I thought maybe that's my 3-blade ones that got the flat bottom.
No, the 3-blades never had the flat bottom. They always had that one. Well, maybe. I mean, I haven't seen it in a while.
Yeah, I have them both on my shelf. But I would consider putting this one in that band practice room of mine. Might put it in place of the Hunter original. I want to leave the Veranda Deluxe.
Yeah, the Veranda Deluxe looks perfect there.
I just cannot see taking it, replacing that.
It looks perfect there.
It does.
You should just get a light kit that has like a decorative bottom, and then steal the decorative bottom and put it on there like the little ornate switch cap. Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean.
I think so.
You know, just like scrap a light kit and take the little flowery bit.
Oh yeah.
And put it on the bottom of the switch cap, and then it would look perfect.
Sure. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Does it already have a tassel on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I usually leave it set to low when I'm not there.
Yeah.
Just leave it run and then turn it up when I'm there, when I want air circulation. Well, the bearings are definitely good if it's got this long of a spin down. You know what? Yeah, this one is.
I bet you this is going to start real low on the decade box too.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. 1, 2. You're right. You called it.
Yeah.
2. It starts on 2. 0.1 amps. Very aesthetic. 3.
Yep.
4. 5, which is a standard low speed.
Yeah, still a good low.
Yeah, definitely is. Also, these are the same ones, I don't know if it's Janesville's Blaine's Farm and Fleet that has these.
Yep. There's one in Janesville, there's one in Waukesha that has these.
One in Waukesha has these and those brown comfort pieces.
But I think all the Farm and Fleets have the older version with the K63 and the fiberglass blades. I've never seen a... No, I have seen a Farm and Fleet that has this version. I think the one in Rockford, maybe?
Well, I thought it was, in the Rockford area. That friend of mine who lives down there.
Okay.
My friend Sam.
Okay.
He goes to one of those Farm and Fleets down there.
I know there's 2 in Rockford, and the one on the north side has Hunter Summer Breezes, and the one on the southwest side has Comfort Breezes, Summer Breezes, Studio Series, and I think some Blenderfans. But I feel like I've also seen a Farm and Fleet that has this version of Blenderfan. Yes. I don't know. I'd have to go through my videos because I've taken a video. I've taken a video at every Farm and Fleet I've been to. Even got kicked out of a few.
Oh man, why did they kick you out?
Filming.
And what are they protecting with a public store?
I don't know. I think they don't. I don't know. I've gotten accused of being a spy from another store. You know, like Menard sent me there or something.
8.
I'm going to see if I can find it while I got my YouTube open. Farm, Fleet.
9.
And then Fleet Farm hates filming. Way more than Farm and Fleet does.
Oh, yeah.
Fleet Farm.
Although, the Fond du Lac one, I did not have a problem with Reese.
Oh, no. They let me do that, too.
Really? Yeah. They might know of him.
Yeah.
When I'm with him and we're both talking about the fans together, then they let that go. And here's 10. So we're just past medium.
Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Farm and Fleets that have Blenderfans, according that I've filmed in.
Yeah.
I'm going to check all the videos and see which one has the...
12, 13. Yeah, I could use the 5813 on this one.
Okay, so this Farm and Fleet has this version with that plastic canopy.
Which one is that one?
I didn't put it in the description. But it's not... It's maybe Watertown. It's some, small town, Wisconsin, that I don't normally go to.
Okay. Here's 15. 16. 0.75, that's on high. So, I'm going to go 17.
Here's another one with Blenderfans, but it's got the older style.
And I'm right on the money with high. So will I go over if I hit 18? Yes, I will go over at 17. So I can't use an 8-12-20 on this, but my K63s are perfect with an 8-12-20.
Yeah.
I get perfect speeds, so... All right. I already know what these do airflow-wise.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do now, I'm going to do solid state variable.
Okay. So far, so quiet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a little noise.
But still not.
No.
I went up some more and it's not.
It's easily living room quiet, maybe bedroom quiet.
Yeah. It's not harsh at all sounding.
No.
So this.
It's like a relaxing, soothing 60 cycle hum.
Yeah.
I'd say bedroom quiet.
Yep. This is what the Stratojets were doing on the variable at that store.
Yeah.
Well, because...
Do they still have the mercury vapor lights there, or did they replace them?
They actually... Well, the fixtures are there.
They converted to LED.
Yep, just like Menards did. Those fixtures are cool, though. They wanted to preserve that.
Yeah. Well, that's good that they did that instead of just replacing the fixtures. Bless you.
Yeah, they also wanted to preserve the building as it is, meaning...
Well, that's good.
How it is.
That's good.
That's why they won't just sell those fans to me.
They know that you want them, huh?
Oh, yeah. Well, I talked about what I'll do. And...
Is it a locally owned place?
Oh, yeah. It's called Finio Elegant Hardware. Yeah.
Have you ever talked to the owner?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So the owners know you like the fans.
Yes. Yeah,
That's
the manager,
good.
Yeah, owner.
Well, manager and owner are two different things.
Well, this is a small operation. This is just an individually owned.
Yeah.
Well, there's a few people that work there, but, you know, it's...
Well, make sure you talk to the actual owner if they're ever there.
Well, actually, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, that was... It's a small operation.
Are we...
It's not a chain at all.
Have we done all the stuff on this one?
I'm still going to solid state. Okay, so just a little under E. Now what I'm going to do, I did not do 0 to high yet.
Okay.
So no, I did not do everything. And then first, yeah, really no inrush on this one.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what I actually started showing my friends, when I showed him, because he loves these at the Fleet Farm, or the Blaine's Farm in Fleet.
Uh-huh.
You know, I pulled mine off the shelf for him, and rigged it up. So what I actually showed him I do with this one... I'm going to set this to low here.
And then... like at a low speed, basically.
Yes.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing that.
Yeah. Yeah, I could actually, I would put the capacitor in the top of the motor. There's room in there.
Only thing with this one is it's so good on low speeds with the high coil that you almost don't need to. But certainly do it.
Well, sure.
That's 2?
Yep.
So it's almost the same.
Mm-hmm. This is on low speed. 3. I'm going to let it get up to speed. Because this is 3.
What's 3 with the high coil? Off. High coil. Almost exactly the same.
That's high.
It's a hair slower, but almost exactly the same.
I'm going to go 4. So, this is actually perfect low right here.
It's a good low.
So, what I do, what I usually would do is take the low speed wire and split that, add another wire to split off the current. put one going up to the capacitor and then back down and into that third speed, you know, a third channel, putting a 3-speed pull chain in there. So now this, and then if I hit high and going from low to medium, I may actually, I think 3 might be better.
I like 3, but I like a slow low speed, especially if you've got a good medium.
Yeah, you got a good medium on its own.
Okay.
So if we had this for a low speed, because I thought 4 was starting to get too fast.
Mm-hmm.
So this is actually perfect right here. This is...
Careful. Okay. Are you ready to move on to the next one?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We got more fans for you.